guys, this is your trainer Anirudh Chiller. So today we'll be talking about Fortinet NSE 4. In our last video, we talked about what kind of topic we are going to cover in this whole tutorial. And today I'm going to create one lab for you and I'm going to show you what kind of lab we are going to use, what kind of devices we are going to use. So let's go there and show you how. So the agenda for today is this. Like I'm going to create one Fortinet lab for you. I'm going to show you, okay, this would be the Fortinet lab, and that's how you're going to create the lab, like what kind of devices. Let's say in this lab we are using Fortinet SAN X. By SAN X, you can say that SAN point 0.9, SAN point 2.6, and if I'm not wrong, SAN point 11 point something, I think. And what kind of platform. This is the platform they are going to use for the Fortinet. Then we will be having Cisco IOL devices, L2 and L3 both. Then we are going to have some Linux machines, and then we are having some Windows server or Windows machines. You can say that, like that can act as a user. You can say, okay, user, and we will be having some management cloud as well. That will work as a either as a internet or specific as the name says as a management as well. So this will be our lab, guys. So these are the Fortinet firewall that if you are seeing Fortinet, this second firewall, this is the third firewall, and this is the fourth firewall. These are the Fortinet firewall that we're going to use. Then if you talk about L2 devices, these are our L2 devices that's used for the connectivity only. L2 devices here, and we have one more here as well. If and then we have some routers. This is the router, and this is the edge router through which everything will be crossing, and we have some Linux machine. This is the Linux machine. This is one Linux machine. There is another one. There's another one. And if you remember some window, you can say that normal user here. And if you see this cloud, these are the management cloud. And these one, two, three, four are the management cloud. And this cloud will be used as the internet. Like if something is going outside from wherever, either it's from there, they will be reaching here. Either they are going from here, they'll be reaching here. So this specific router is the point of contact, or you can say the edge router. If somebody want to go to the internet, want to cross the internet, so they have to go through this R6 device or this specific device, this device to make it out to the internet. Okay, let's see how you can use or open the EVNG, or you can say how you can create your own lab. So I have already installed this VMware workstation. You can directly do it. You can go to the support station. Let me show you where exactly you have to go to install this kind of images. So you just need to go to the support.fortinet.com. Here you can go. Okay, if you have login, if you don't have any account, you need to create the account by registering here. If you have, you just click on the login, just enter the credential, and it will work directly. Okay, I'm going to pause the video for a second to enter my credential. So guys, once you log in into the devices, so once you log into the FortiCloud video username or password, if you have, just enter username password. It will pop up for OTP in your email ID. If you not, just register there with any email ID. It won't cost anything. So once you are there, you'll be getting that kind of dashboard. Uh, like right now, I'm using it for some time, and like one of the Fortinet firewall registered, so that's why it is having a bit different. But for you, that this part can be a bit different. Rest is same. Rest this part, this checkups, tabs, that will be same. So what you have to do directly here, if you're looking for certainly which kind of images you have to use, so you can click on the download. On this download part, you are seeing this VMware. Just click on the VMware. Here, you'll be having a lot of options like what you want to check. Either it's a Forti Analyzer or the Fortinet or Forti Manager. Right now, it's a FortiGate. So you can go there, which kind of version you want to use. So it will be new deployment. Try to do a new deployment every time. Don't do a upgrade version because you should have the older version to make this happen. So every time you go for a new deployment to install the images, and there's a new option as well. So that's your choice what kind of machine you want to use and what kind of image you want to use. So that's how you able to find the Fortinet image from the FortiCloud. In the same manner, if let's say you want to know that where exactly we can find this EVNG, like how to download that, how to use that, just go to the Google, type EVNG, you will be redirected to the site. Here on the site, uh, let it come. It's gonna take some. Okay, you just click on the downloads, and you'll be seeing a lot of things here. So there will be some options like EVNG Professional or Learning Center version, and then EVNG Free Community Edition. So every time you try to do so, because if you're working in a home and try to do your lab in your laptop, personal laptop, so at the time I think this Community Edition is good for you. There are two links. You can try any of the link, whatever suits you, whichever is feasible for you and easy to download from that link. Just click on that. Both links are showing the same exact image. Just click on the download, it will directly start the download. And same on the lower one. Just click here. Okay, it started it. So I already have it, so I'm going to cancel it because it's in the GBs. So leave it for here. So you can download it. That's how you can get the event image. And there's a version for the VMware Workstation Player below as well. You just click on that, open the VMware, just follow the process. That's it. Nothing else, nothing specific. It will redirect to the page. From here, you can download whatever you want to. And in the same manner, let's check here exactly. Okay, solution support and services, downloads. Okay, it's a bit different this time. It's supposed to be here. Okay, if you don't have it, I'm going to give you one more option. Just directly go to the Google VMware Workstation. Just directly go to the VMware Workstation page. Yeah, here. Leave that part and download whatever want to like you if you search a bit like it will be for you have to find for the Mac, you have to find for the PCs, but that depends on what kind of laptop you are using. So you can download the VMware from here. Fortinet images from the FortiCloud by login password. If you don't have it, just register it, and then the EVNG from the EVNG sites, and that's how you have all the images with you, and you can register everything. So let's move to, let's say we have everything and we need to create some lab here. Now, I have VMware Workstation here. I'm just going to double click on that. It's going to open. EVNG is already installed on that. So I just click on the EVNG. Nope, I don't want to remove it. I want to play it actually. Virtual appears to be in use. Oh, sorry. I think I have already opened it. Let me close it and show you the path. 1 second. Let me reopen it. 1 second. Okay. It was open from my previous sessions. Okay, let's click here. Okay, once you got that, once you install everything, you're going to get this kind of page. So you just need to click on the power on this virtual machine. When this is power on, let's wait. It's like hardly take 30 to 50 seconds to power on. You will be asking for a username password. In the start, it will be admin and password is nothing blank. Just enter it. They will ask for the new password. You can set up your new password. Okay, so this is our IP of the EVNG through which we can log in GUI. That's 192.168.1.190, and how we are getting 1.190, that's depend what kind of network you are using. Because when you are configuring and putting the EVNG on the VM workstation, at the time you have to be the specific, or you have to use the static IP and do the entry as per your IPv4 address or whatever devices you are using. So why I'm saying so? Okay, so Where is my IP? IPv4. Yeah, this is my IP. 192.168.1.1, 1.11. So I'm using the subnet of 192.168.1.0/24. So this IP should be from that subnet. Let's say if you're on a different environment or different network, so at the time you are using this IP to open the GUI, it won't work. You have to change the IP to make it work. So just keep that specific thing in the mind, else it won't work. So let's go to any browser. We have that IP 192.168.1.90. Just click enter. Just enter the credential and sign in. So that's how you will be reaching here on the page. That page will be showing like this, and this is some kind of tabs, like it's a main page. In the management, you will be seeing user management in the system, some device like what kind of status, and let's say click on that. Let me show you if there is how many memories utilized and what percentage of CPU is used and what percentage of disk is used. That kind of stuff you can see easily, and you will be able to see some kind of log. These are the logs. Like I've worked previously with the lab, so that's why we are seeing a lot of logs here. So in the starting, you might not think, but post creating something, you will be seeing a lot of logs. This is stop all nodes. Like if you have any labs and it's running in the background, just click here. It will directly stop everything that's running. Like it's going to shut down all the devices. Okay, let's go to the information. Information will be giving you something, nothing much about what kind of version it is, if they're having any YouTube channel and that kind of stuff, XYZ stuff. So just leave it. Let's say you want to create a new lab. So click on add new lab. Just give it a name like Anirudh test lab. Nothing else. You don't need to do anything. Just do save. Okay, you are on the lab here. So I already added the images that I told you earlier. That's the Fortinet images, some Cisco IOL, some Linux machine, some window machines, and of course the management cloud. So I'm going to show you how you can create some different devices here. Just right click here, click on the node. These are the grade one. I don't have the images of those one. I just add the images what are required for specific tutorial. So we have Cisco IOL. Just click here. If you see it's in the dark, like dark blue, just click here. It will be asking, okay, what kind of devices you want to use because we have L2 option and L3 option. Let's ask for L3 option. You can mention the name here, whatever name, let's say R1 router. Then you have the option, what kind of image you want to see when you put that. Okay, it's a router. We just try to keep it as a general router, and it will work with the RAM of 1024. So you don't need to change that. It will work without any issue. Just save it. This is the device. Right click if you want cross confirm anything. Okay, it is what we selected. It's a L3 R1 that the name changed 1024 and the router image. So all good here. So let's say now you want to use one L2 devices. That's a Cisco IL devices. Just go to the Cisco again, where it is. Click Cisco IL. This time click on the L2 instead of L3. So it will be a switch. Give the name switch one, and we want to use we want to use a switch icon for that. It's here it is. So this will work. RAM won't be an issue. Just save it. So we have a switch, and if you want to connect them, just take your arrow there. You are seeing this cable connection. Just click on this, put it there. They will ask for the interfaces, which interface will be connecting to the switch and which one on the router side. You'll be seeing a lot of interface, and here on the switch as well. That's only choice which interface you want to get connect. Okay, let's save it for now. That's it. Okay, if you want to use it, I just suggested you need to do a wipe in the starting before proceeding further. Just do a wipe, and it is wiped. If you're seeing on the right corner, it's wipe here. So let's start it. Double click, it started. And before opening that, one more thing I missed, like you should have a putty install. It can be you can install it from Google anywhere. It doesn't specific. You don't need to link it or put that in the EVNG. Just you need to have a putty. That's it. It will work. So click on open. Let's wait. To device work, it work as a normal device. Like restarting will take like 1 or 2 minutes, sometime 2 to 3 minutes. So just wait for that. Meanwhile, let's go to the switch as well. Do the wiping. And one more thing, if you see when I'm opening something, this thing is moving. So from here on the left side, you can do lock lab. After that, you can't change anything. Just go here, wipe it first. All the memories, previous memories will be wiped. Okay, it's wiped. Start the device and double click to open it. It will be opening. Let's say if our router is open or not. Yeah, it is. Our switch, it is. Both are opening sideways. So let's wait here. Would you like to enter initial configuration? Let's say no. Okay. Okay, it is up. So you can do whatever kind of thing you want to do on the router. Just go to the enable mode or configuration mode. Before that, let me show you the version, what kind of version we are using here. My bad. Show version. Okay, let me maximize it. Where it is? Okay, it's a Cisco IL software, and we are using this version 15.7. That's what I know. Yeah, 15.7, and router uptime, you can check it. Okay, it's 1 minute. Just the basic things. We'll be talking a lot of different things in the upcoming chapters. Okay, we are here. Okay, still, okay, it is up. So just go to the enable mode. Here you can check the version, what would be the version for the switch. It's a Cisco IOS again, and the version should be 15.2 here. Yeah. So this is you're using for L2 and the uptime. So that's how you can create Cisco images for L2, L3. Let me close them. Stop. Okay, both are stopped right now. Yeah, it's stopped now. Let's say if you want to create one Forti image, just right click there. Okay, we are left as locked, so we have to unlock it. 1 second. Okay, it's unlocked now. Click on the node. Go to the Fortinet. Okay, we have the Fortinet firewall like descriptions open. So which image you want to use? As I told you earlier, we are having 7.0.9, 7.2.11, then 7.2.1, and we have a FMG, that's FortiGate Manager 7.2.2. So that's depend on you what kind of operating system you want to. Let's take it 7.2.11 for now. Name it. Let's say it's Fortinet. Okay, you want to change the icon? No, we don't want. Okay, let's change it for now. We use this icon. Okay, we are using 1024. It will be having 4 Ethernet connection. In the end, you will be able to use only 3 because we are going to do a free licensing that I'll be showing in your upcoming chapters. So because of that, whatever Ethernet or ports are mentioned, but you'll be able to use three to a max. Like only 3 ports can be used. Ports that you won't be able to use in a free licensing. So I'll be showing you. So this option, just keep it as it is. We don't want to change the rest of the stuff. Just save it. We have the lab here. If you want to cross confirm, just right click, add it. All the things are here. Let's say you selected the images by mistake, so you can do the edit. Oh, we want to select the 7.0 but do it by mistake, so you can change it, save it. So if you want to confirm, just re-click. Okay, 7.0.9 here. So it is okay. In the same manner, let's say you have the option of Linux machine. I'm going to show you very quickly here. Yeah, here it is. So we are having two images. One is Ubuntu, one is TinyCore. So normally we will be using the TinyCore because it's gonna use less CPU memory or performance, or our laptop performance will be go a bit down, like it's gonna hang up. So just keep it TinyCore for now. Uh, Name it, and the image that's on you. What kind of image you want to use? Let's say if we have something. Look for, oh, we have the Linux. Yeah. So we select the Linux. So keep it RAM 4096 with 2 CPUs. So that will work without any issue efficiently as well. Just save it. So we have Linux here as well. and we have window. I'm just going to show you how we can create some icons. So we have window as well, and window. Okay, this window will backtiles like a user. So we just have one option like window is selected. We just name it window. You can mention the user, whatever. That's on you. What kind of naming conventions or icons you want to use. So image is okay, desktop, so it will work. RAM is fine, 4096 with one CPU. That's okay. Just save it. And we have some VPCs as well that I forgot to mention to you, and we are going to use them. There's the same thing, VPC, you can change the icon a bit, let's say desktop 2 here, and save it. If you don't want to use the window, you can use the VPC. That's on you, what kind of thing you want to use. Okay, let's say if you want to connect this Fortinet firewall to the cloud, just right click anywhere, click on the network, click on the type, select management cloud. Let's name it as internet, and you don't need to change anything else, okay? Just save it. Now, when you take your arrow here, you will be seeing this cabling option. Just click here and connect it here. It will be showing, okay, our Fortinet port 1 is connected to the internet, and just save it. So when you switch on the machine, you can do your XYZ work here. In the same manner, let me connect you how you can do the connections. Okay, okay, it is there. Let's save it. Let's save it. You'll be seeing the port numbers. Let's save it. Okay, right now if you're seeing we are having only four ports when we define this. So we already utilize those four ports. Like port one is connected to internet, two to the Linux, third to the user, and fourth for the VPC. So we don't have any backend port. So we won't be able to connect the switch to the Fortinet. So you have to keep that mind how many connections you're going to use. But when we are licensing it, we can use only three connections. Let's say one for the internet, one for the user, and one for the Linux machine. So fourth one won't work for the license. The free license that would work for 50 days only. So that's how we can create the lab. Just if you want to start all the device, just select the whole lab, right click, start selected. It will directly start everything there. And when you are working, make sure to lock the lab so these devices or the topology won't move. And once you're done, that will be automatically saved. If you're seeing this lab has been saved when you lock it, just close the tab and your lab is created here. If you see Anirudh test lab, so when you click on it, that's your lab. When you open it next time, it will open from the same point that you closed it. So, so that's how you can create the lab. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Hope you like this lecture and hope you'll subscribe my channel. That's at the rate ARC underscore tutorial. Thank you so much, guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye.